Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your love handle, back fat, belly fat and panty line. Please, if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. So guys, I've been struggling to find the right pants to wear in my bodycon dresses because they end up showing the line or they show the love handle. I've bought pants that are supposed not to show the line, but they end up showing. And going pantyless has never been an option for me because at one point I ever tried doing that and it was so weird and so uncomfortable. Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Body shapers can also work with this, but I wanted to find just an alternative. If you don't want to wear a body shaper or if you can't buy a body shaper, this is also just an alternative. Now I'm a fool while you're breaking rules. And so what I did, I took my old pantyhose stockings and cut the legs. And just like that, I got my new panties. Path that I follow. What you do, and it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed. And the good thing about it is that it doesn't show the line and it just smooths out everything. It hides the belly fat and the love handles. As I bleed for you, cry for you. It gives you that hour-shaped glass figure. And you can wear this pant with a dress, a skirt, tights. And it also it doesn't roll up. And also, it doesn't roll down your stomach. There was a time I was attending a wedding and I sat down. I had worn a body shaper and it kind of rolled down. It was so uncomfortable because I kept on rolling it up. That was it guys, because I really love this because it tucks everything in and it gives me that shape that I want, and I now feel much more comfortable wearing any dress that I want. And guys, hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, hope the video was helpful, and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and also comment below for other tips and tricks. And that was it guys. See you in my next video. Bye.